Welcome to the Piping Engineering YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn the isometry of the pipeline bent in different directions and watch 3D model of this pipeline. Also, we will be bending the wire according to the isometry. If you watch the video until the end, I am sure it will be very useful for you. Let's start piping tutorial video. This is the pipe isometric drawing. This pipeline consists of a spool only. Let's learn the materials which used in the pipeline. This is the list of materials for fabrication. Let's learn the materials which used in the pipeline. Detail number 1, shows pipe. Was used in several places in the pipe drawing. Let's look at the material list. The detail number 1, 3.8 meters length, 8 inches pipe, seamless, schedule is XXS, SA333 grade 6. Detail number 2, was used in 2 places, in the pipe drawing. Let's look at the material list. The item number 2, the quantity is 2 pieces, size is 8 inches, 45 degree, long radius elbow, schedule is XXS. Detail number 3, was used in 2 places also, in the pipe drawing. Let's look at the material list. The item number 3, the quantity is 2 pieces, size is 8 inches, weld neck flange, A350, schedule is XXS. Every pipe drawing has such a sketch, this indicates the directions. By studying these directions, we can easily read any pipe isometrics. There are 6 directions here. North direction, south direction, east direction, west direction, up direction, down direction. The man who reads the isometric must think that he is in the middle of these directions, his face is towards the north. Let's try to read this pipe isometric using these directions. We will start reading the piping isometric from this point. The pipeline travels start from this point to the north. There are dashed lines here, we will move along these lines, first down vertical and then north. There are dashed lines here too, along which we will move first to the east and then north direction, horizontal. So, the correct reading of the pipe drawing is completed. Now let's bend the wire of this pipe drawing. With the help of this sketch, let's bend the wire of this pipeline. We hold the wire to the north. Here we bend the wire to down at an angle of 45 degrees. Here we bend the wire to east at an angle of 45 degrees. The bent wire of the pipeline is ready. Let's look at the 3D model view of this pipeline. The 3D view of pipeline helps us understand pipeline isometry more easily. A good knowledge of piping drawings helps pipe fitters succeed job interviews. The video is finished here. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to be notified of our new isometric videos in time. Thank you for watching, take care.